Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have another listing, guys. This is 7 hectares at 150 pesos per square meters or 70,000 square meters at 150 pesos per square meter. Located in Barangay Poblacion, Tabuelan, Cebu. So, this is located in Barangay Poblacion, Tabuelan, Cebu. Rolling terrain. But there's still a flat terrain portion of the property. So, majority is rolling terrain, guys. So, according to the owner, pwede na to makuhaan og 1.4 hectares or 4,000 square meters at same price, 150 pesos per square meter. Because this 7 hectares is consolidated. So, kining 7 ka hektarya, gi-consolidate man ni sila. But they are the same owners, no? They are heirs. So, ang naghatag na to ani, the person who contacted me or guided me in the area is the owner. So, siya gyud, no? 7 ni ka hektarya. Then, silang tanan. All are heirs. So, mga heirs na ang moperma. Kaya sinunod man ni sila sa ilang ginikanan. So, there are mountains, no? Approximately 4 mountains. 2 of these mountains katunga ana according to the owner or to the people living in the area. So na mga tao na puyo. Katunga ana, half of the mountain is part of the property. That is the boundary line. Mo na gingog boundary line. So see that mountain, half of these 2 mountains are the boundary line. So meaning you can develop the area. It is alienable and disposable. So mao ni na-approve sa DNR. But during our finalization before we can get the kuan. So that is the people, no. There are 3 houses in this area. So they are not called tenant. They are just living there, allowed by owner in order to watch also the properties. Bantay po sa yuta. So, nindot ang location. It's really very quiet, no? So, that is part of the property. That is flat terrain. So, mana siya, guys, no? So, it's really quiet place. Although it is located in somewhere in Poblacion. Poblacion ragid siya, guys. Distansya na lang ni mga 2.5 kilometers from National Highway. Mag-unay distance ako nang gisukod-sukod sa ako ang sakyanan sa una. Marag ikatulo na ning balik nako. So, mao ni ang property. Dako pa man siya og pata, guys. So, magpili lang tano kay wala ba makapareha ang mga areas, mga gidakon sa yuta. So, nindot ang property man. You can convert this into a mountain resort development. Although it's just few minutes drive from the National Highway and beach resort. It's a western part of Cebu province. Mana siya ang iyang surrounding, guys. Only few neighborhoods pero onwards there are so many. Daghan nagsilingan. Since this is a big property, dili gidingon nga duol og silingan, guys, because of the property line. But if you proceed onwards sa unahan, there are neighborhoods, daghang silingan. Gusto ka maghimog manukan diri, guys, for the kanang gitawag og hiniktan for the roosters or cockfighting. Oh, mana siya guys, nindot kay diri. Batuon lang yun, no? Batuon. It's a rocky type of property. But there's still good, there's soil na po yung mga kuan. Katong gibarugan na to, may balay, mga kuan to siya. With the houses, it's a good location for farming kay dili man siya kayo batuon. But majority the property is kuan flat and rolling terrain with rocky soil. Batuon siya. Pero mabuhi gyapon ang tanom guys. Okay ra man gyapon. If you can take this like a goat farm, nindot sad siya, goat farm. Kay manay kasagaran gusto sa mga goat o kanang mga kahoy-kahoy ba din rolling terrain. This is good for goat farm. Ideal gini sa goat farm guys. Kandingan ba? Manukan. Okay ra sad siya kaayo. So the mountains are what we call gaatbang lang or gasinugang sa among istorya, gasinugang or gaatbang lang. Manay sistema guys, no? So it's around 15 minutes video. Depende lang ninyo kung inyo ba ni hot doon o dili, basta mao ni ang property. Mani ang sitwasyon sa property. Nga rolling terrain gid siya. Murag nga balik-balik ra man pud nako ang video niya. Hapon sad ang dali-dali ra pud ko og video. So again, the property we're selling is a total of 7 hectares consolidated. So mao na siya. Consolidated siya. Kita na to batuon. Then it is traversed by the road. So giagian sa karsada ang property. Wala ra pod ingon na tunga pero naagian gyud. The road is traversing to the property. So going to the property from the highway, so there is a rough and concrete road. So mo na rough and concrete road. Manay sistema, no? Rough jud kasagaran, majority is rough road. Mo na nga if you are going to visit to the property, don't use automobile. Okay raman ang akong Wigo nakasulod man diri. So you can use Wigo or taas nga klase nga pick up car, mas nindot dire. But makasulod ra gyud, nihinay lang. Hindi lang ka makaboylo. You cannot drive past because of the situation of the property. Ang titulado ani guys, mao to 4,000 square meters. Mao to giingon sa una. Pero ang the rest are tax declaration. But he said it's really alienable and disposable. So what I mean, E&D, alienable, disposable means it can be titled. So pwede siya matitulo, basta E&D lang. Pero you know, we will finalize kung pananglitan magani mo palit ka, we buy the property, we need to get first the E&D certificate. So sa di pa po may maghago o pangita o kuha dito, tanaw sa ninyo kung ideal ba. Just see by yourself if it is really ideal for your for your plans or plano nimo ba sa property. Kung magpigiri ka diri guys, okay pod kaayo gyud ang location. Figiri is good. Pero kung mag-poultry ka, I'm not sure sa poultry kung poultry ka nga kadtong tunnel vent, no? Kanang gitawag ilag aircon kay the terrain is rolling. I don't know. You need to use heavy equipments to flatten the area. Okay. Nagsinog ang raman ni siya. I don't know if di ko ka-sure magod sa location kay wa man ginato masuludo by using drone raman ta. Pindi siguro kung ato'y paagi sa tunga-tunga sa bukid nya cut and filled lang ta, possible siya siguro. There's a possibility. Murag natago ra ba? So, okay ra sad, no? Pero cut and filled lang. Kay murag na ipatag sa tunga. There's a flat in the center of the four mountains. But you need to flatten the other side by side. Aron arang gyud tong kuan. Muraguan kuan na pod guys. One tunnel bent ra pod. Kanang gitawag usara pod ka aircon, no? So mo ni atong website www.propertyph.net. Updated na siya guys. Wala na kuan. But wala ko madugangi pa. Later on na lang siguro. Ay busy magod. Na busy ko. I have processing, no. Cebu and Bohol magod akong gi-process ron. So at least okay na. We can proceed na po for another processing. Ato lang gi-anam-anam kay isod kayo. So there's so many kuan guys like this tubong kuan labong. So kanang labong na mo kanang there's so many kuan young trees. This is really good for kuan again goat farming. Goat farming yung ideal ani guys, honestly lang. Okay, maginiganahan sa mga kanding kaning ngon ani batuon ang area, then kanang mga kahoy-kahoy daghan. So balik na sad ta sa atong property, no. Ato magining balik-balik maora magiday hapon nga video, pero sige lang, pwede ra inyong laktawan. Di lang nako ni utrohon kay kuan manggod. Nahinay ka nag-upload ba? Man na siya. So kini nga side guys, mo na akong giingon nimo nga pwede kag mag-cut and fill in between anang mga mountains. Adto nimo ibutang. So this is the road, no, back and forth to the property. Batuon yun guys, no. So at least you know. So this kind of concrete thing is nagdaginot sila guys. But yun sa nila nga ang isig kadaplin kanang maarang ra imong ligid style pod ni. So na siya putol na sad ila na sa giputol wa gyud mahuman mutaon sa gid, no, na may mga issue na to sa flood control ilang gidaginot ba unsa ba aron makahiman sa man so manay sistema guys, no, sa mga concreting going to the property. Ilapot mo pa basig ilalag yung gipaiguan ng budget ba. So nana kinahanglan mo drive ka pasyan din ang ticket kuha. So at last nagay fully kuan concrete na gyud. So mao kini guys, kini dolo na isa near to the highway. It's concrete, but I heard that there's gonna be a fully concrete road going to the property. Tapos yung panahon niya fully complete siya. So in that is just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Again, we will process transfer title Cebu and Bohol lang guys, ha. Cebu and Bohol. Website www.propertyph.net. also don't forget our guys. Kanang way process again, way process transfer of title. Then if you have property, kung na may property for sale, just submit to us. Thank you.